Make sure your colors are set to default. You're going to find the rectangle tool, go down to the star tool. If you click and drag, you can see it creates a star. Go ahead and create a star. I press the space bar to move it so it's on my artboard. Next, I'm going to create another star. This time, I'm going to use the up arrow to add more rays or points to the star. Next, I'm going to create another star. This time, if I hold the Command key and drag, you will see it changes the in point and the out point of the rays of the star. So I can change the shape of this star. I'm holding the Command key while I drag. I can let go and press the Option key, and it will give me two different views. So again, you can drag different stars using the Command key. You can change how the rays are. You can also click and you can type in what the radius 1 is and what the radius 2 is. Let's make this 4, and how many points you want to have. And there you can see my last one.